Revenues and expenses are reported only when cash and goes in hand. These revenues are reported when earned and expenses are reported when incurred, regardless of cash flow. The expenses are reported only when payments are made to suppliers. These focuses solely on the timing of cash flows and outflows, and inflows and outflows. In financial accounting, we should thoroughly listen about the concept of flow money. A revenues and expenses are reported only when cash changes hands. B revenues are reported when earned, expenses are reported when incurred regardless of cash flow. C expenses are reported when only when payments are made to suppliers. They cost solely in the timing of cash inflows and outflows.
10. Raise na. Letter B. Revenues are recorded when earned and expenses are recorded when incurred regardless of cash flow.
All of you got the correct answer.
Hindi naman alam